Hello, my friends. Good morning. Hope you are doing good and having a great time, my friends. So, my friends, today our discussion will proceed on SQL. And as I told you, and I have given a brief about SQL concepts. So I hope you have downloaded and installed the SQL version as well. So today I was just researching and we can write and execute SQL queries using the command line client. That is a terminal as well. So you see my friends in this screen I have connected to my SQL terminal where I have created a database, and if you see this is my database which is showing here. If you see my friends here, I have created a database here and I have loaded some tables in my database here. My friends, if you see, these all are dummy test data just for examples. And these are just simple test data sets created by me now. And it's a simple terminal-based queries you can write here, my friends. And the next time I will teach you how to write, the query on GUI level. This is very easy. And this is how you do, my friends. You write terminal based queries, and this is how it's done. And it's very simple, and it's just like it is simple, and this is just like you execute your queries in your, in your GUI layer. This is what we are doing in the terminal. So you see how it goes. This is simple. And this is how it goes. We just need to write the queries clearly, and it is you have to select everything very clearly, and this will work. So let us see how this works, my friends. And see, let me write a select statement here and see how it works in the terminal. And you see, guys, this is how it works, guys. So, guys, my dear friends, so this is how the command line prompt, or you can say SQL works in terminal. This is very simple. And you see I have 2630 rows in my this table. So this is how the codes are written in terminal, and this is very simple logic. You can write codes in the terminal as well. Here you have to be perfect in your syntax because there's no prompt here. The next time we will learn in SQL GUI, and I hope you have downloaded the SQL version. And we will we will learn more our SQL, and practice more SQL in the GUI level, because that would be very easy for us to understand, my friends. So this is how you see. This is how it works. If you have to be very specific, very specific in your command, my friends. Any error you will not be able to type in. So you have to be sure about syntax, no mistakes. You see, I'm getting mistakes. See, this is not existing. See, guys, now this is how I want to show you how the error looks like. Now let me show you how you write it. How the describe statement, what it does, it describes the table. Now let me see whether this works. This will again not work. This will work, I guess. You see, this works. So my friends, this is how the SQL is written in the terminal. So subscribe my channel. Ask your friends also to subscribe my channel. And let's explore the SQL world. And in the next session, I will teach you how to write SQL in the GUI level and how to write syntax. I'll explain you how the DML languages work, how the cross statement works, and let's deep dive into the SQL world. So, my friends, take care, have a great day ahead, and enjoy. This is free learning sessions, my friends. So, ask your friends to subscribe my channel, and let's grow and enjoy our data science. Thanks, my friends. Have a great day ahead.